Hello, this is James Foster demoing the IP Lab part 2.5a. I have here my resources are all ready to go, and I have 3 terminal windows open, so I'm going to start by SSHing into each of the 3 nodes. So I will copy this. Let's say SSH, paste, and the port number. So there's our node A. Now I'll copy from node B. And I'll do the same thing. Port number will be the same. And that worked. Here's node C. Copy that. I can SSH -P22. Whoops. Alright, so now we have SSH'd into the 3 nodes. Next, I want to use the traceroute command from A to IP address 192.168.2.12. I'm going to do this before setting up the static routes to see what happens. So before I do that, I want to make sure that the traceroute command is installed. So I have this line of code right here. And this is going to make sure that we have the traceroute command available to us. Next, I'm just going to write traceroute and the IP address. And here we have the traceroute output. So as you can see, the traceroute command reveals that the packets go through the control interface. This is because the control interface is the default gateway for unknown IP subnets. So what we're seeing here is a propagation up the chain of defaults. Okay. Whoop. Next, lastly, I want to bring up the routing tables, which I can do by simply typing route-n, and I'll do the same for the other 2 nodes. Alright, so here we have the routing tables for A, B, and C. And the next YouTube video should include what happens when we try to do traceroute after the static routes have been established.